There's something fascinating about the human mind, especially the mind that operates on a higher level than most people ever notice. Psychology says that some of the strangest habits, the ones people often get judged or misunderstood for, are actually quiet indicators of high intelligence. These behaviors may look unusual from the outside, but inside a high-functioning brain, they serve a deeper purpose. So if you find yourself doing any of these without even realizing it, you might belong to that rare group whose mind works on a completely different frequency. For example, highly intelligent people often talk to themselves, not out of confusion, but out of clarity. It's called verbal reasoning, a powerful psychological tool where thoughts become words, chaos becomes order, and ideas fall into place. What others see as odd is actually the brain organizing information at lightning speed. Another sign, they overthink, but not emotionally. They overthink logically. Their mind doesn't panic, it analyzes. It studies angles, consequences, possibilities, and hidden details most people never notice. What seems like indecision is actually strategic thinking happening in real time. And here's another trait, they prefer walking alone. Not because they dislike people, but because walking activates the brain's creative and problem-solving network. That quiet time becomes a mental laboratory where ideas connect, insights appear, and clarity arrives. Solitude isn't loneliness. It's a deeper state of thinking. High-intelligence minds are also known for being strangely organized and messy at the same time. Psychology calls this selective organization. They invest their energy only where it truly matters. So yes, their desk might look chaotic, but their digital systems, ideas, plans, or inner logic are perfectly structured. It's not inconsistency, it's mental efficiency. And then comes the bursts of obsession, those intense waves of curiosity where they suddenly dive into a topic with laser-like focus, consuming information, learning rapidly, and then moving on once the curiosity is satisfied. This isn't weirdness, it's the dopamine-driven hunger of a mind built for learning. Another powerful sign, they dislike small talk. Shallow conversations feel draining because their brain craves depth, ideas, meaning, philosophy, psychology, growth, truth. They may be quiet in groups, but when a topic hits that deeper level, they become alive, articulate, and fiercely engaged. So if you talk to yourself, overthink logically, walk alone, avoid small talk, obsess over random topics, or organize your world in your own unique way, remember this: you are not strange, not broken, not misunderstood. Psychology shows that your brain simply works in deeper, more complex, more powerful ways than the average person ever experiences. What others see as weird are actually the quiet fingerprints of intelligence. And the more you understand these signs, the more you'll understand yourself. If you want more videos that reveal the hidden truth behind your personality, mind, intelligence, and the psychology that shapes your life, make sure you subscribe to the Known Sense, because this is the channel where your mind finally makes sense.